Okay, this is a Taurus TCP 380. Get your magazine release. Push it back, push up to lock it. Grab hold of the retaining pin, pull straight out. Grab hold of the thing, push down on the lever to release, and just pull it straight off. The spring, be sure to hold on to it. Just push down and release. Push forward, pull out, and your barrel. Then clean it. To reassemble, reinsert barrel. Put the open end back into the slot. Push down until it clicks into the little flat area right here. If you can't see it, see the little indentation. To reassemble, very simple. Line it up onto the frame, slide it back. Once you got it this far, set the pin on top, hold your finger on it, push back. And it'll drop in. To test it, pull back, make sure there's nothing in the chamber, always point in a safe direction. Reinsert your magazine and you're ready to go.